Alright, students. Now, the topic that we are going to start about the that industries on the basis of capital investment. So, do you know what is meant by capital investment? It is a sum of money provided to a company to further its business objectives. The term also can refer to a company's acquisition of long term asset such as real estate, manufacturing plants, and machinery. Capital investment is also considered to be very important measure of the health of the economy. When businesses are making capital investments, it means they are confident in the future and intend to grow their businesses. Now, the learning outcomes of this topic, that what is small industries, types of small industries, advantages of having small industries in a country, problems of small industries, and how much the government doing efforts to grow small industries, large scale industries, and the heavy industries in Pakistan. Small industries are referred to as cottage industry. It is a manufacturing activity operated at home. The handcraft sold are an example of cottage industry. The types of smaller cottage industries that we are having in Pakistan: the carpet and textile industry, embroidery and jewelry industry, ceramics, woodworks, and metalworks. The advantages of small or cottage industries: it makes use of the industrial waste, reduces regional disparity, little burden on imports, less capital and less sophisticated technologies involved, good use of local raw material that we have, reduces rural urban migration, so the people can stay there at one place and can produce the products. Gainful employment of women, source of foreign exchange earning, meets the demands of local market, employment in the rural areas. Government of Pakistan are doing lots of efforts for the small and cottage industries. Following organizations have been made by the government to develop the cottage industries: Pakistan Small Scale Industries Corporation, Punjab Small Scale Industries Corporation, Sindh Small Scale Industries Corporation, Small Scale Industries Board, Directorate of Small Scale Industries, Balochistan. Now, the second industries that we have is the large scale industries. Large scale industries are formal sector which are registered sectors. These industries help Pakistan grow and contribute in making Pakistan's economy better. It provides employment to large sector in Pakistan. What is meant by heavy industries? Those industries whose raw materials and finished goods are heavy and bulky are categorized as heavy industries. Oiling, mining, shipbuilding, steel, chemicals, machinery, manufacturing, and similar industries are examples of heavy industries. They are very capital intensive, meaning that they require a lot of machinery and equipment to produce a product. Heavy industries that are working in Pakistan are textile industry, sugar industry, cement industry, vegetable, ghee and cooking oil industry, chemical fertilizer industries. Number one, the textile industry. which is the major contributor to foreign exchange. Cotton and cotton-based products accounts for 61% in export. Third largest exporter of the world. Over 1.3 million farmers, up to 5 million, are involved in the cultivation of the cotton crop. 8.5% contribution to GDP. Scarf, winter shawls, wool fabrics, blankets, etc. are the products of textile. Total import is $14.8 billion in the last years. The next industry that we have is the sugar industry. In Pakistan in 1947, there were only 2 sugar industries. But at present, 106 sugar mills are operating in Pakistan. It is the second largest industry after textile. 15th rank in the world in sugar production. It gives employment around 1 million. Per capita consumption is 26 kilogram and GDP contribution is 0.7%. Cement industry is also another heavy industry which contribution in GDP is 3.5%. Exported last year 700 million US dollar. Pakistan has ranked 5th position in the world exporter of cement. Total companies 23, 4 foreign and 3 controlled by the armed forces. Chemical fertilizer industries. Fertilizer is an organic and inorganic products added to soil to supply plant nutrient. Major products are urea, DAP, NP, CAN and SSP. Contribution of fertilizers are 14% in GDP. Employment is around 4.7 million. Major fertilizer corporations are Fauji Fertilizer, Sitara Chemical Limited and Angro Chemicals. Pakistan Steel. Pakistan steel industries provide raw materials to the engineering and construction industry. The products of steel industries are coke, pig iron, rolled and cast billets, galvanized products and raw steel. Pakistan Steel Mill Corporation, with the technical and financial assistance from Russia, was established on 30th December 1973. Steel industries in Pakistan reduces burden on foreign exchange resources. Environmental pollution due to industrial waste is also caused. Pakistan defense industry. With the passage of time, development in technology and resources, the defense and aviation industry infrastructure has grown to an extent where the public and private organization can meet the requirement of Pakistan Defense Forces very efficiently. Today there are over 20 major public sector organizations and over 100 private sector firms engage in the manufacturing of defense related products, which are internationally recognized for quality, reliability and competitive prices. The private firms have achieved an accelerated development in the manufacturing capabilities, facilities, and capacities to augment public sector for the indigenous production using the latest technological tools. Both the public and private firms are abreast of the need and meeting the landmarks with full zeal and enthusiasm. Okay, students, I hope that you find this topic interesting. That's all for today. Thank you.